Madanas, suppose me telling you say, this person reach out to me and ask me to lend them money because them give gift over TikTok and them rent short. So me must lend them money. What can go so? Seriously, let me tell you something. I'm not telling anybody what to do with their money, but when it reaches to the point where you have to give your rent money, your bills money to people because you love them, that is when it gone really bad. Because it's not like, okay, somebody this way you suffer. This is the person where the people them we should give the money to is people them where they on TikTok every day and make money. It's not like, okay, you're donated. This is how I would have get into my rent money to give to somebody who is in need, somebody who, you know, they need it to survive because you have to pay your bills here and nobody now give you nothing. I'm not saying you cannot give, but who give you the powers to do it and then you come ask me for lend your money for make up to pay your rent? That's not right. Your rent short because of that. No, you can't over there give people. You see, I'm not on TikTok like that because I've been on TikTok a couple of times and me not really dip on TikTok. I watch match and there's something there. I watch whatever. Me never sit down and watch a match on TikTok. I don't have the time, for sit down and I watch the match them because I just not my thing. It's just not my thing. I'll post a content, share my views and whatever. That is just a different thing. But for me, if you're over there and I beg and I tap and I beg and I make up this nice blah blah blah, that's just not me. So she said me so she did at work and she was watching the match and she want to gift them and she keep on a gift. What? And give out your money for pay your rent? Give TikTok your gift TikTok your money for pay your rent? And so much of them over there, I say how them would have never do the work what you do. This person, I poop then clean. Elderly people then take care of. As can to them over TikTok. They would have never do that work. Some of them say it over TikTok. They would have never do that kind of work. Yeah, maybe I know everybody stay so, but the work, women don't understand too. You work your 9 to 5 job. You are struggle to make it in America. And you gone over TikTok with your money, go and give it away to people who would never do the job where you are do. Make it make sense. You see why someone will give all no blessings? You see why sometimes someone don't flourish. We don't have a second rent in our bank account, even though our job is minimum wage. Sometimes you can bite on a finger and save up an extra rent in our account, but you not have to borrow money from somebody because you give no blessing. You can give to the right people who is in need. I hear a lot of people say the Bible say you must give and you shall receive. Of course, 100%. Me believe in that 100%. But give to who and what? Give to who and what? I'm not gonna say me not do it, but if me I gonna give somebody money out of my rent and I don't know where it come from, it have to be for a valid point, like for somebody who is very much needed for the last to survive. Because when me throw it at my house, how that I go? Suppose you never have somebody where you can run to for borrow the money. Make it make sense. What can go so? According to Derek, what can go so? I mean, we used to use them word there when we were younger, but it just becomes a slang now because Derek said. So we use them words there in a patois, growing up. But on a serious note, Madonna, so tell me what you think in the comment section. You would have your last look of money and take it just go give up on TikTok to people who some of them so disrespectful. I was on TikTok a couple of days ago cooking my live videos, and the reason why I was doing live on TikTok because I have, my daughter friends, young people, they reach out to me and say, Mommy, tell me that you're on Facebook cooking. Why don't you cook over TikTok so we can learn to see where you cook, how you cook your food, because we don't know why not for your food so nice. And so make me go up on TikTok go cook, you know. If I never that me uno cook. And so they keep sending me requests to accept. So I accept because I don't understand TikTok. My husband was right there. Three Jamaican come up on my screen. And I don't know if Renee did on my page. Renee, if you're watching this video, tell me what the person did say to me. Because me not quite remember the word, but it's a very disrespect word. Gyal. I don't know what the gyal, something like that gyal not come off of my phone. Because the person asks me if me I play a match, and me tell them no. And they say, take me off of the screen. And me say, I don't really know how to do that. But you send me requests, so me just accept it because me don't really understand TikTok. So me just accept it for see, you know? So me accept it and me I try to take them off of the screen, but I don't know. I mean now go end my life because of them. So me just learn about it. So Renee put in the comment section and said, don't accept any anymore. Because it was being very rude. I call me girl, you know all Jamaican people is when them call people girl, it's a disrespect. Here in America, when somebody call you girl, what that is not a Jamaican. You don't take it for anything, but in Jamaican culture, a girl define you as like nobody, like you are not nothing. Knowing that my husband stand up right there, so a couple minutes before that, him tell me, don't play no match on TikTok. Do not do it. I don't like it. And I have to respect him in point because him not on TikTok, but him watch TikTokers video pre-recorded over on YouTube. And what they are saying when they're playing the match, he don't like it. He don't want me to do that. So I'm not going to do it. And I'm not interested into it either. I'm not, because that's just not me. For the panic, oh, like of the blah 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 blah. Me barely afraid for telling up on YouTube for like the video because me so full of pride. Much more for the on TikTok I go on so like hood rats. Well, I don't know, come for me because I say that. I'm just saying, me just not like it. Me not like it either, not because him not like it, but me don't like it for myself. Different stroke for different folks, you know. But anyways, me tell my daughter already say she will start put on makeup on her face. Because she look like Butu and she look like Udrat. So I'm not take it too personal. I tell my one daughter, look how you're beautiful. You look natural and beautiful. Stay like that. No put on them sitting up on your face because you look like Udrats. I'm just being honest. What is a Udrat? I have no idea. And she always laugh because she not take me serious. So no not take me too serious, you know? If you not get to know me, you don't take me too serious. You not like the video, you know? You not liking the video. And now you not gonna make me ball again. You not like the video, man. And stop going so. Sure. Loving it here. Big up on a nice clean self. And thank you so much for watch my videos them. Thank you so much for tuning in time after time and support me. I appreciate each and every one I wanna. May God continue to bless you know and shining light upon you. And when I pray for you and I mean it from my heart. I love you. Big up on a nice clean self. Bye bye.